Hey everybody, this is Dave here, working on this little project I picked up just recently. This is a 2001 Chevy S-10 with a 4.3 liter V6 automatic transmission. Looks like hell, but we'll see what we can do about improving it here. It's got this giant ladder rack that I'm probably going to get rid of, and lots of other issues. Working on changing the oil. Got a stuck oil filter that I'm still wrenching on, but other than that, I'm working on these tail lights here. So, quick how-to on this. As you can see, these are the parts from the tail lights. These are the only things that hold it on. So if you ever need to change a tail light bulb, as you can see, these are broken. You can see that very well. There's a big crack in it. There are two screws holding each tail light on. Right here and here, and they line up here and behind this bracket. Two Phillips screws, they pop right in there. These tabs at the end line up with holes right here. So if you ever need to change a taillight bulb, easy peasy with just a Phillips screwdriver on those, and that same on the other side. You can see the screw that goes through on that bottom one there. Moving to the front for headlights. These are surprisingly easy as well. Let's see, I put down the bracket right here. Okay. Well, I put down the bracket. There's these brackets here that hold the headlights in. And if you look down on these, hold these little studs here, line up with these, and all it does is push down. There's two on each side. You pull these up, and the headlight comes right out. There's just that's it. About the easiest system ever right there. Down here for the turn signal lights, there are two tabs. There's this tab which you have to pull out on towards the outside of the truck, and then you have this tab right here which lines up with this opening right here. So that'll be pushed through. All you do is squeeze on this, give it a little pull, and then you use your finger on here and just pull out on that, and this whole assembly comes straight out. And that's all there is to it. So hopefully I have some more videos like this on this truck in the future. But if I'm planning on replacing, I had one broken headlight and both broken tail lights, so I bought a whole pack of all 6. The headlights, front turn signal lights, and rear tail lights. And I think they were all for $130 or so. So for that price, instead of replacing just 3, might as well replace all 6 and make it look halfway decent. Thanks for tuning in.